I can't believe we are halfway through the protein challenge. How are you guys doing? I wanted to come on and just touch base with you. Let me know in the comments any struggles you might be having, or if you've got some foods that you have found that are great, share them. Let's kind of help each other in this community, right? So what benefits are you noticing? I know we're only 5 days in, but still, you might be noticing some of those victories and non-scale victories of adding additional protein. I'll tell you what, I've definitely noticed more energy, better mental clarity. I have definitely seen a difference in just kind of overall how I'm feeling. So my focus is better. So let me know in the comments what's going on for you. What are you noticing? And again, if you have any questions, please let me know. So today, I've got some fun things that I wanted to share with you. So I'm going to make this one a little longer because I've got a really fun, kind of a treat surprise for you at the end. But today, I am making a yogurt bowl, and that's going to be about 40 grams of protein. And I'm going to share with you, I found this protein yogurt. Here it is. It's called Ratio 25 grams of protein in this. This is the vanilla flavored, works great for a yogurt bowl. I am going to add some of this Ratio keto cereal. And again, this is great. This is low in sugar, 3 grams. It's got 10 grams of protein in a cup. So I'm going to use that. I am going to add some of my organic sprouted pumpkin seeds. I've got some cherries. If you have ever, Costco, I love Costco. They have these organic sweet cherries. I'm putting some of those in, some blueberries. So yeah, what a great way to open my window with that yogurt bowl. Okay, and of course, I'm going to have my daily shake that's got all my nutrition. You know what that daily shake does is it fills in the gap. There's a gap between what we eat and what our body needs to thrive. That's what I love about that. I take that every single day. I have now for over 30 years. So yeah, it makes a huge difference, a huge difference. Okay, so that's kind of my opening my window snack along with my daily shake. Then for dinner, doing something a little different, we're making kielbasa, which we absolutely love. And that is a 7-ounce serving of that is 31 grams of protein. And then here's a fun little trick. So we found these Bush's beans, 0 sugar for baked beans. My husband loves baked beans. So I said, okay, let's do baked beans. They've got these in a half a cup, they have 7 grams of protein. And I thought, well, I kind of want to up that. I need a little bit more to make my numbers today, right? So if you've never done this, I encourage you to try it. I put a half a cup of cottage cheese on top of my baked beans. I used to do that all the time in the summer. So good. Just kind of mix it in. It's very, very tasty. Okay, so with all of that, I'm getting 102 grams of protein. But I also found something kind of fun. I love this Enlightened ice cream. It's actually 130 calories per serving. 2/3 of a cup is a serving. And it's got 6 grams of protein. Now, I don't know about you, but depending on how full I am from dinner, I can probably eat about a half a container. Well, then I'm going to get an additional 9 grams of protein. So now I'm up to 111 for the day. So let me know in the comments some tricks that you found for adding protein. Are you finding these videos helpful and these ideas of what you can eat? And what kind of a difference are you noticing? I would love to hear in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, and then I've got an affirmation for you. You know, if you are maybe struggling to stay in the challenge or you're starting to feel like you want to give up, I want you to say this to yourself every day for the rest of the challenge. I deserve to feel and look healthy, because you do. You deserve to feel and look healthy.